Good morning and welcome. I just wanted to start an introductory video introducing this channel that I will be starting with regards to gardening and canning, home food preservation, anything like that. My name is Kirsten and I am married, have 2 children. We have a family garden and we preserve our food. Actually, this year will be the first year that we have preserved our harvest. And I just want to take you along on this journey with me, and I hope to inspire some of you. Even if I can inspire just one person out of every video I post, it would make a big impact, I think, in this movement that I am seeing, and I want to be a part of that movement and teaching people and community and supporting our local farmers and sustainability. So I look forward to creating content and documenting this journey, and I hope that you will join me, and I'll see you in the next one.